Have you ever imagined yourself being an addict? Red eyes, big eye bags, pale skin, sleepless nights, and sudden drop of body weight? Not really a good thing, right? But what if you're a chocolate addict? Or as we all know, a chocoholic? Well, it is not that bad being one, because chocolate has its own natural effect on our body, which may be well or bad. Most of us think that chocolate is just a comfort food that satisfies our craving for sweets. But one thing we're not all aware of is that it can also enhance our physical and emotional well-being. But we should always keep in mind that everything that is too much is bad. While chocolate is regularly eaten for pleasure, there are potential health benefits of eating chocolate. Chocolate is packed with natural antioxidants that scientists have discovered to protect your body and promote good health. Surprised? Many people are. That's because they forgot that chocolate is a plant-based food. The main ingredient in chocolate is cacao beans, the seeds of the fruit of the cacao tree. Dark chocolate and cocoa contain high levels of cell-protecting antioxidant compounds. Antioxidants work by protecting your cells from damaging molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are basically unstable oxygen molecules that can trigger changes in the structure of normally healthy cells. This damage is thought to be the underlying cause of many chronic diseases. As we get older, the natural antioxidants our body makes to fight free radicals begin to decline, and the best way to regain those antioxidants is through our diet and dark chocolate. Another beneficial effect of cocoa and dark chocolate has been shown to help your arteries relax, widen, and maintain their flexibility, which may aid in lowering blood pressure. Scientists determined that chocolate triggers the production of nitric oxide in the blood. Nitric oxide is responsible for relaxing and dilating blood vessels, which allows more blood to pass through them and thereby lowers blood pressure. Reducing high risk for diabetes is just another positive result of eating dark chocolate. The antioxidants found in dark chocolates and cocoa may aid to the impaired circulation and unhealthy blood vessels, and that often proceed to the development of diabetes while also possibly improving cell sensitivity to insulin and glucose. Dark chocolate and cocoa improve are rich in flavonols, plant-based antioxidants that studies show may improve blood flow and keep vessels healthy. For people at risk for diabetes, these flavonols may help restore more normal function to better control blood sugar. Insulin regulates the cell to allow sugar to enter and provide energy. When a condition called insulin resistance develops, the normal amount of insulin our body produces decline. This results to a higher level of sugar in the bloodstream because the cells cannot accumulate all the sugars. Scientists believe that flavonols trigger the production of nitric oxide inside the cells, which stimulates the cell to accept sugar again. Added favorable effect of chocolate is that it makes an excellent high-energy food because it is one of the most concentrated sources of theobromine, which is a mild, natural stimulant, and it contains small amount of caffeine in it. Phenylethylamine is a compound found in chocolate, which may be responsible for some of the pleasurable feelings you get after eating it, because it releases natural feel-good chemicals called endorphins in your brain. Although chocolate has its beneficial effect on our body, like like being a potent antioxidant, lowering blood pressure, reducing risk for diabetes, and excellent high-energy food, it still has its adverse impact on our body. Eating large quantities of any energy-rich food, such as chocolate, can increases risk for obesity. The high amount of calories found in chocolate increases the risk for obesity for people. The high amount of calories is caused by factory-added substances such as fat and sugar. The high amounts of added fat and sugar are also suggested to make chocolate so addictive. This is because it is psychologically considered to be unhealthy by most, causing a desire to eat chocolate, resulting from restraint. Excessive chocolate may promote obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for many diseases including cardiovascular diseases. There is a popular belief that the consumption of chocolate can cause acne. Various studies show that this is the case for high glycemic index food in general. A further bad effect of too much chocolate is dental cavities for people who may have forgotten to brush their teeth after eating chocolate. Eating chocolate is really pleasurable, and added to that, its beneficial effect on our body like potent antioxidant, lowering blood pressure, reducing risks for diabetes, and excellent high energy food. Although it has its good effects on our body, it still has its damaging effects, risk for obesity, acne, and even dental cavities. Most of us think that addiction is an awful obsession, but being a chocoholic is really one kind of an addiction one would love to commit in order to have an improved living.